Hi there, I'm Mark Anderson of Anderson Travel, based in central London. I want to tell you about the 1,300 school children we take to school every single day at the moment, and that means 700 cars off the streets of London, reducing congestion and pollution. But enough of me, I want my staff to show you just what we're doing. Here's Grant, one of our leading drivers, cleaning the inside of one of our vehicles. During these times, we need to ensure that passengers travel in a safe and clean environment. So every surface that a passenger comes in contact with is cleaned thoroughly as we operate our coach services on a daily basis.